Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JQ
So friends,
Lottery.
in this
So friends, in
video,
this
I saw
video,
UK
I saw
49
UK
prediction
49
for
prediction for
Friday 16
Friday
January
16 January
2026. Today lunchtime
2026.
single
Today
prediction
lunchtime single
numbers.
prediction
Number
numbers.
1, number 2,
Number 1,
number 8,
number 2,
number 11,
number
number
8,
25,
number
number
11,
28. Today lunchtime
number
single prediction number
25,
repeat.
number
Number 1,
28. Today
number
lunchtime
2,
single prediction
number
number
8,
repeat.
number
Number
11,
1,
number
number 2,
25, number
number 8,
28. Lunchtime
number
single prediction
11,
number repeat. Number
number
1, number
25,
2,
number
number 8,
28.
number
Today
11,
lunchtime second prediction
number
numbers.
25,
Number
number
18,
28. Today
number
lunchtime
19,
second prediction number
number 20,
8,
number 40, number
number
46,
20,
number
number 40,
48. Now
number
lunchtime second
46,
prediction
number
number
48.
repeat.
Lunchtime single
Number
prediction number
18,
repeat. Number
number
18,
19,
number 19,
number
number
20,
20,
number
number 40,
40,
number
number
46,
46,
number 48.
number
Lunchtime second
48.
prediction number
Now
repeat.
lunchtime
Number 18,
bonus ball
number
numbers.
19, number
Number
20,
18
number 40,
or
number
number
46,
36.
number
Today
48,
lunchtime bonus ball
46,
number
number
repeat.
48. Today last
Number
time bonus
18
ball numbers.
or
Number
number
18 or
36.
number 36.
So
Now
friends,
last time bonus ball number
complete today.
repeat.
Lunchtime
18
prediction
or
numbers.
number 36.
Please
So
hide
friends,
my
complete
video.
today. Lunchtime prediction.
Today time prediction for Friday 16 January 2026. Today time single prediction numbers. Number 4, number 8, number 10, number 17, number 25, number 34. Now time single prediction number repeat. Number 4, number 8, number 10, number 17, number 25, number 34. Today time second prediction numbers. Number 12, number 24, number 35, number 36, number 40, number 45. Today tea time second prediction number repeat. Number 12, number 24, number 35, number 36, number 40, number 45. Today time bonus ball numbers. Number 38 or number 44. Now tea time bonus ball number repeat. Number 38 or number 41. So friends, complete today tea time prediction numbers. Like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for next notification. Please hide my video.